The kitchen comes fully equipped with a microwave, cooker, sink and fridge. The cooker has 3 gas-fired hob rings and an oven and grill. First, make sure the LPG bottle is turned on. To light the gas hob rings, press the clicker switch as shown and turn the knob clockwise until a flame appears. To light the oven and grill, press the clicker switch as shown, turn the knob clockwise for the grill and anti-clockwise for the oven. To activate the microwave, open the cupboard and plug the microwave cable into the 3-pin socket. The fridge is a 3-way fridge. This means there are 3 forms of power. Some campers have an automatic fridge which will change its power source automatically. If your fridge is not automatic, you will have to manually change the power source. The first button with a circle and a line is the on button. Next are the power sources. Select the icon shaped like a fire when the ignition is off. You are not plugged in and have your gas on. This will cool your fridge using your gas. Select the button shaped like a plug when you are plugged into a campsite. Finally, the last button shaped like a battery means the fridge will run when your engine is on. If a warning noise sounds from the fridge, you may have selected the fire icon while your gas is off. Remember to make sure the gas bottle is securely turned off before driving. The harder your battery works, the quicker it will drain, so turn off any appliances you aren't using.